Welcome. If you're using Instagram on your PC and want a little more privacy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show how to hide your activity status using the latest Instagram update, so others won't be able to see when you're online or when you were last active. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main screen where you can see your feed or messages. Now, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the menu. Once the menu appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Settings, find and click on Messages and Story Replies. This section controls how you interact with messages and how others can engage with you. Next, look for Activity Status. Click on it to open the activity settings. Here's the important part. You'll see an option called Show Activity Status. By default, this is usually turned on, which means people can see when you're active or recently online. To hide your activity, simply toggle this option off, and that's it. Your activity status is now hidden. From now on, no one will be able to see when you're online. Just keep in mind that when you turn this off, you also won't be able to see other people's activity status.